So watch out because there's a stalactite on the right part, huh? When you go inside this door, watch out for the right side, please. Tingin dito. Yeah. 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 When you go down, please turn right. Then stay. Watch your head on the right.
这边是不是台湾看过？然后身后还有那个水抓是让我们走过去的。Sensei? Tingnan natin ang sitwasyon. Kasi kung hindi na makita yung may meeting, useless yung pagpunta doon. Pag may magkano tayo, ma'am? Kahit ang bank naman. Sige.
Kasi natatagpo siya ng mga soil and trees. I just understood English. Really?
Yeah.
So, during World War II, that is 1942, so the Filipino hide here, the fighters, the guerrillas, they're evading Japanese soldiers, so they need to hide. They did not fight. Then, the World War II was ended on 1945. Proceed.
Madulas po kuya.
Di naman. We evade those wet part. So you can pass safely on those dry part. Okay. Look at the ceiling. You will see those what do you call that? Stalactites with dripping waters at the tip. Papansin mo yan. And then those water also contain minerals. When they drip on the ground, they became stalagmites. Yeah. Oh, good baga. Kita. And then it has also floras and faunas inside. So there's also bats. Look at the bats here. They are few. They are just like that. And then there's also bird. Look at there. Watch your step. You see that? The swiftlets or the swallows. And also here, birds. So avoid those, what do you call that? Bird poop.
Okay.
So always close your mouth while
Looking up. Okay.
looking at the ceiling. Okay, watch out, evade those wet part. Hindi naman siya ganito lahat, ha? Okay, as you can see, these two formation is very near to each other. According to the expert, it grow 1 inch or 2. So that's why we are not allowed to always touching these. We are one of the reason why they got stopped or did not continue to grow, because if we hold it, the water can dry up, or maybe the stalactite will be stunted or died. So they stop growing. Pero yung, since may tubig, since there's water, they are continue growing time to time. And then, hundreds or thousands of years, they connect to each other. They will call columns. Yeah, like that. Oh, they are noisy. Yeah. They are there. That is birds. Birds and bats are different. Hello. Birds, they just birds. Bats is different because they are mammals. So watch your head also, and watch your step. Evade those wet part, and we will passing through left side. Sa left side, or maybe here. Okay. And as you can see, when the water was dried up, they became crystal, so they shine, they glitter. Look at this. Actually, it's almost 8 inches, I think. So, 800 years to touching it. They have now, what they call that, stains. So, pag hinawak-hawakan mo yan, they get dirtier. Oh, look at the ceiling here. There are bats also. Okay, look at that. Okay, close your mouth, please. Konti lang naman sila na. Yung mga medium size, those medium size bats is a fruit bat. And those small one is insect bats. So there are two type bats living here. Yung maliliit na yan ay mga insect bats lang. Okay, please pass here at left. Structure here. So this is man-made. It was built on 1972. That is martial law time. When Marcos Sr. declared martial law in the Philippines, the local people hide in the cave to do parties, to do drinking. O, titingin ka. Martial is always wet also, but it's not too slippery. So just watch your step pa lang. Yan. Don't worry, they are not aggressive, so they do not attack people. They just sleeping on there, making noise. Yeah. So even we have lights, they are not disturbed anymore compared nung early years. So this stair is going to the dance hall. So we did not go there yet because that is going to the fourth door. So that is the exit. So that opening there is the third opening. So where is the second one? This part is on the left side. So this is the way going to that second door. So we're passing here. Don't worry, even there's water here. That's not too deep. It's just 1 feet too shallow. No tendency of drowning, no tendency of flooding. So you're safe there. Then we will have a bridge to pass on that area, so we don't need to go to the water. So just walk slowly, carefully, and calmly. Let's go. Observe also this one. Did you notice that even on the man-made structure, stalagmite continues to grow as long as the water continue dripping also. So imagine this stalagmite is almost 50 years old also. Avoid stepping on this one, please. As long as you can evade it, don't step it. It's just 3 steps down here. And then take a look at this water. This is too shallow. So it has also fish there, but that's not endemic in the cave. We just bridge. Please proceed until here. Watch your step also because every corner has a cut steel pipe. The water was dried up, then it became crystal. So the calcium carbonate, when they gone, when the water was gone, they shine like that, they glitter like that. But as you can see again, so many stains, so many dirts because they always touching it. I'll show you the outcome of the water formation here. Look at this. If you observe it very well, it looks like an elephant, small elephant. So the water, just the water made it formation that's not shiny compared to those wet, dry crystals. Okay, let's proceed. Terraces, but it was man-made, made of concrete and steel bar. There's a purpose. So as you can see, some water is flowing because it is raining. But if that water is full, the mini lagoon there is small, but it is overflowing. It
like a
flows
fountain.
over, para siyang fountain or waterfalls. Ganon, yung purpose niya actually. So,
Bukol.
oh, you have. Tama, bukol or basag. Okay. Okay. Please follow me. Oh, watch your step and watch your head on that part. Yeah. So, you will notice that you are near on this opening because the flow or the breeze is filled. The air is filled here. Yan. Don't panic, ha? It's organic, okay? Okay. You go first. You go ahead first. Here, 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 or maybe I. Do like this. And insert yourself.
Ano?
Take duck and slide slowly.
Oh.
Okay?
Go, Ivor.
Yeah, very good. Like that.
Oh no, it's too.
And don't stand up right away. Hindi ka madudumihan. Okay lang. Market ka. Katulad na magkakamalit.
I am so flexible with this.
Lower your head.
Oh no.
Lower your head. 2 step ahead and you can stand straight. Okay?
Oh, no.
Picture mo siya. Picture I will do. So that you have an evidence that you are sexy. Go for your left.
No.
Yeah. Don't stand up right away yet. Yeah. Left side. Go. No crawling. Just do it. Okay. Insert your left foot. Yan. Step outside first. Like that. Lower your head, please. Okay, you can do. And also you don't stand. So you can proceed on that right part.
No.
Sige na, proceed na. I will.
My knees are so ridiculous.
This is the second door. See, actually, this is back part of the cave, the Sulong. So we are near at Sulong Eco Park. Pag hindi maulan na lalo kapag maganda yung panahon. This is a third end. That is also man-made concrete. VHS is resting here. Yes. This one, those impurities was done early years. But when this cave is under the tourism and environment department, boy, those geologists.
This one?
Yeah. They cut it. As part of their studies, they got samples. But
Just this part.
yeah, the small, this big look like a hand maybe. Look like a head of a dinosaur maybe. Parang nakita nyo to sa GTV, no? Batas na yan, hindi na talaga mahawakan. Stick on the wall. Ano to? Burial ground itong third opening pala noon. Look at that, look at that. And also that. Look like T-Rex. Stone. Look like
Dragon.
yeah, dragon or maybe pterodactyl. Watch your step, please. Walk slow. Got that? You get that? They were disturbed because we are very near. But don't worry, they don't attack us. They know echolocation, so they did not bump us. Yun yung maraming basket. Let's follow me. Proceed on left side, left side. Go to the left, please. Don't go near here. Yan. This is man-made. It's made of cement. This is the platform of that floor. Yung third door, yung may bangko doon yung drinking area. So dito yung sayawan, araw. I'll show you the other memorabilia written there.
Oh, who's that?
So it was right 1953.
Clemente? Soriano?
Yeah. Taga Norte yun,
Solomon.
Koreano, ano?
Something.
Did you see that? So it was written there on skull.
Ayan, like a nose.
Nose and eye. Yan. On the left side, on the right side pala, it's look like an owl.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Here. The eye and the nose.
Aha.
And on the left side, on the right side, it's like oh, di ba? So they are 4 folds and 2 different formations. Is it? Actually,
Is that
that's
man-made or ano?
it is natural. So it was made by bats when they stayed there 1,000 years ago. Okay, you did not believe it. Yeah, that's the huntsman spider. I think she is pregnant. She's laying eggs there. And look at this. This look like drinking water. The giraffe did not bend his neck, isn't it? The Brontosaurus can nasa tubig na very wide. Imagine coral reef before, but right now it is fossilized because it was exposed, not in water anymore. So ebidensya pa rin siya ng seawater. So that's stalagmite, they start to grow. But in this part, it became column. So million years ago or 1,000 years ago, andito na siya, and then the stalactite is continue to fall or to drip water. They form that. You notice this crystal is dirty, but play it. Yeah, this look like fried chicken. Then those one is look like
Wings.
Chicken
wings. And another leg,
Yeah.
buto na lang.
Calves.
Column siya. Column. Yan. So, when you reach this part, please lower your head again. Yan. And pass on right side, please. Lowering your head. Stand straight when you go down there. Yeah. Lower your head, please. Okay, stand straight there.
I'm all gonna leave it.
Yeah. So, when the weather is in good condition, you will see my volcano there.
Unfortunately,
Pero paano maaron?
Underwater or near water before. That is the main entrance.
Ah,
may snakes dito po.
Umikot lang naman tayo, ganoon lang. So, the area is almost half kilometer yung linakad natin. Oh, what's your feeling? Ganoon.